How to add WhatsApp button on Wix website. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply log into your Wix account and after that, open up the site where you want to add the WhatsApp button and just simply click on the option of edit site or design site and this is where it will take you. Now we will be using a third-party application in order to do it. Simply search for Elf site on Google and open this particular website, and over here you will have to click on the option of widgets. Just simply click on it and wait for it to load, and after that in the search section you will have to search for WhatsApp chats. In case if it is not appearing over here like this one, you would be able to find it by typing it out. Just simply search for WhatsApp and you would be able to see it. Yeah, and then select this particular widget after that and wait for it to load, and this is how you would be able to see this particular widget. You can check out the left hand side panel in order to check out the kind of design you want for particular widget, like this one you can preview it accordingly according to your needs and requirements. It will only be the WhatsApp page or the WhatsApp button on your website, and when someone clicks on it, this is how it will appear. So in order to get it, just simply click on this option of continue with this template, and after that you would have to sign up on Elf site in order to get this particular widget. So just sign up and get this particular widget, and you would be getting a code for it. Just simply copy that particular code. After that, open up your site, and on your site you would be able to find the add elements option on the left hand side panel. Just simply click on it. Now in the search bar, search for HTML and wait for it to load. After that, you will be able to find the option of embeds. Simply click on it. Then select the option of embed HTML, and here you would be able to see this window. Now paste the code that we just copied from Elf site for this particular template, and after that click on this option of apply. Right after that, you would be able to see that WhatsApp button will appear, and you can just move it around wherever you want. You can also even resize it according to your website's design, and this is how you would be able to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.